you're more productive when you take days off.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. I swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Caught me slipping.
He wanted to buy 1,000,000 cheeses and I was trying to save them all.
Oh my gosh.
And I couldn't.
So it is 8 a.m. Monday morning. We are about to leave to go take a ferry from Athens to Paros. It's gonna be like a 4 or 5 hour ferry. And we are just waiting for the taxi driver now, and then we will be on our way. So we just got to the VIP area and Laura's having trouble sitting down.
I save the food that you buy because I don't waste food, unlike others.
Now we sail from Athens to Paros. It's a 5 hour journey to get to Paros. Got the Paros, just got the Selina in Paros. Just got to the room in Paros, and we have our own balcony and sea view. If Laura would get out of my way. I mean, amazing. Incredible. Tuesday morning, I'm going to go work out and then go spend a few hours at the beach in Paros, which is very right away. But for now, I got my workout equipment and I'm gonna get the workout in. But freaking amazing. You know, freaking amazing. Finished working out, a lot of sweating. And I'm gonna go to the beach next. To this beach. I'm not actually sure where we are, but we just walked through the town for like 10 minutes. Come and hang out here. Some salads and some nuts and dried fruit and stuff like that. Let's say it's not that hot and it's beautiful out. It's like perfect weather. Got some groceries and some strawberries that got a little
juicy.
Got a little in the pants here, right? Groceries are like €92, which is a little bit expensive, but at the same time, got extra stuff like
vegetables, avocado, nuts, milk, cheese, a lot of stuff.
So it is sunset. I have, I think, 4 more sales calls, so I'm just doing sales calls, but I figured I'd come outside, watch the sunset, you know, chill out here and make some sales calls. But I mean, really, really brilliant sunset. It even shows the time. But yeah, it's really beautiful. It is 10 p.m. I just finished some sales calls. I'm trying to upload the 5K, 30-day 5K challenge video while trying to go get some dinner. So I just got up. It's 11 a.m. I'm going to try to upload that video. The Wi-Fi here is actually not as good as other places, but it's always good to wake up to a view like this. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna go review and audit some of my employees and contractors' work. I'm mostly going to just chill today, just get some work done because we're going to Mykonos this weekend, and I want to make sure that I don't have anxiety. A lot of times people have anxiety, and a lot of the reason for that is because they need to do something. I get anxiety sometimes because I feel like I need to do something, or I'm not getting enough work done or whatever. So today and tomorrow I'm gonna work really hard and try to get a lot of stuff done, so that in this weekend I feel like I don't feel like I'm behind, you know. So that's what's going to happen. Okay, so about to go across on the ferry to Paros, but today we go to Mykonos. So I had a few hours here to work in the morning and go pick up some stuff. So I'm gonna go across to Paros where most of the stuff is. And then we're going to go take a bus from here to the port, and then take a ferry from here to Mykonos.
To Mykonos.
We're picked up by our friends, and then spend the weekend in Mykonos.
Mykonos.
So as you can see, one of the great things about Paros here is, look, there's like 100 kite surfers out here. I've never seen anything like this in my life, but there are so many kite surfers in Paros. It's a haven for that. Pretty interesting here that there's one main street, and then you go off, and it's pretty quiet. Just got to the port, and there's no ferry here yet, but I think it's supposed to be here in about an hour. So Paros is gonna go buy us something to entertain me, and then we're going to get on the ferry and then be in Mykonos. Somebody took days off.
I did. 2 days.
2 days off.
I deserve
I don't take days off. And dentist been saying I've been grinding in my sleep.
I think you're more productive when you take days off, because then you start working again with more energy.
Daddy, chill. What the hell is even that?
Yeah, she didn't bring her laptop. That's psychotic.
That's disconnected.
Crazy person. Only in Mykonos would you have this in the middle of your